Thank you for a very enlightening presentation, covering a very wide spectrum of activities. You mentioned that copper can, the percentage of copper can be increased to 12%.
12 times. Sir, it can be increased to 12 times. And I performed this achievement through equipment.
12 times or
12 times.
30 times? Because, you know, 12% copper from 0.5 to 12%.
Yeah, let me check it out. If you could, I think the presentation has gone. At least it can be increased 12 times, rather more than this, simply through beneficiation method.
Yeah,
while in refinery,
but, you know, what I would like to you to draw a parallel with Reko Diq,
yes,
where they are claiming that they can increase the copper percentage from 0.4% of the rock to 60%. Is that possible?
Yes, that is possible. If you could take example of the Waziristan, whereby the FWO is working, they have been very much successful in enhancing the percentage from 5% to round about 40.
5% is a lot. I'm talking about 0.4% to 60%.
Yeah, where particularly actually in porphyry systems, the percentage of copper ranges from 0.1 to 1%. If it is a supergene deposit, means re-enriched deposit through sedimentary processes, it can have 1%. But normally the percentage of, the economical percentage of copper in porphyry systems range from 0.1. So if they say we can upgrade this from 0.4 to 60%, yes, it is possible and it can be done. Yeah, it's usual procedure.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Actually, I would like to add one thing. Actually, you have not mentioned that. Practically three-phase flotation process that is not on an experimental base. 4 to 5% antimony has been upgraded up to the 80 to 90%. So that is not a new thing now.
Yes, yes.
That has been proved and that has been in process.
Yeah.
In most of the countries.
Yes, sir.
Not in the Pakistan, but that thing has been happening in the China. What I learned, as you know, we are working together in this project.
Yeah.
Practically, China, they are taking all kind of the antimony from the Pakistan, and antimony is also associated with the copper, silver, gold.
Yeah, yeah.
And when they process it, they are earning, I think, if I'm not wrong, more than $200 million.
Yeah, you're right.
Per year.
You're right. Yes.
Thank you.
Fine. Yeah. Will you take that mic to the back, or the time is finished? Okay, sir.